How do narcissists try to get you back? 5 most common tricks. Hello everyone. Narcissists hardly ever confess to it, but all of your greatest fears concerning your relationship are happening just under your nose. The narcissist is a very tricky being. They're never tired of hurting their victims, and even when you realize that they have been hurting you, they always look for ways to get you back in their life. Here are 5 common tricks that the narcissist uses to try to get you back, whether you realize it or not. But before going further, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss our subsequent videos. 1. I've decided to go to counseling. After all the ill treatments and sudden switch lifestyles that they have been living with you, if you choose to quit ways with them, the narcissist always looks for ways to bring you back into his web. One of the methods is to agree with you that they have decided to go for counseling. Some narcissists might go for the counseling but end up stopping the program along with numerous excuses. The original plan was not to go for counseling, but to make you believe that they're ready to change, to accept them back into your life. 2. We are broken up. This is another major line that narcissist uses to get you back, especially if that relationship had issues due to cheating. Then you hear them swearing and telling you that they have broken up with that person. Sometimes they go as far as to say to you that they have broken up, but the person is now the one disturbing them. Sometimes they even try to shift the blame on you by telling you that they were only with that person because you are not interested in them. But in the reality, all of these are lies. They want to use these stories to make you sweep their infidelity under the carpet in hopes that you will forgive them and come back. 3. Can we be friends? This happens when the narcissist openly leaves you claiming to be in love with someone else. They will tell you so many demeaning things to make you feel so bad, like you will never find love again after they're gone. They come back as if they want to help you and ask you to be friends with them, telling you different stories of how they know you don't want them back, but they can't stay without you, and thus would love for you just to be friends with them. My dear, do not be deceived. It is another plot to drag you back into their net. 4. I knew you were not the right one for me. After going through all what you have been through because of the narcissist, they finally come out one day and tell you that you aren't the right one for them. They tell you that they have been trying to see if things can work out between the two of you, but it's not. This move might hurt you deeply, but that's not the primary reason they're doing that. The major reason is to make you feel like you're not doing enough in the relationship, and thus to try to fight their way back into your life. So you struggle to redeem yourself, resurrect the relationship, and hope for a positive outcome. And with this, they can further use you even more than they did before. 5. I'm sorry for hurting, and I promise never to do it again. This is one of the best statements used by all types of narcissists worldwide. This is because the people who fall victim to the narcissist are typical of the cooperative, empathetic, tolerant, altruistic, and forgiving type. The narcissist is ever ready to exploit those weaknesses of theirs. The narcissist doesn't mind showing up with flowers and going on his knees to apologize for hurting you badly. He does this in such a manner that you're moved to forgive, hoping he will change. But the truth is, the narcissist never changes. Instead, at that moment, he is already planning on how to hook up with the side supply without your knowledge. Well, what did you think of this video? If there's anything in your mind, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. See you in the next video.